Welcome back, traders, to my market outlook for the week of November 24th. This will be a short one since we have a short week due to the Thanksgiving holiday on Thursday. I anticipate most of this week's volatility will be on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then consolidation for the rest of the week. The weekly chart for both indices is pretty much consolidating, so I'm just going to stick with the daily chart in this video. Last week in S&P, it was really messy. You can tell by the long wicks on these daily candles, but overall, we've been grinding back up into this daily fair value gap. Now, I had my eyes on these lows, and I was using this fair value gap as my last line of defense. We haven't closed above it just yet, so we could still have a drop, but I would be safe and just aim for this recent swing low if we do start dropping. However, it's hard to say because price so far has respected this large fair value gap. You can see the body staying in the upper half. So we could have another rally above all-time highs. I'm leaning towards the upside, but I can see price going in either direction. So I'm going to be neutral and wait until I see displacement. Nasdaq on the daily was the same story last week. Large wicks on the daily candles, but overall grinding up after bouncing off of the weekly fair value gap. Now, Nasdaq is a little weaker. It's not at my last line of defense just yet, but it can still go up there. And if it does, then I really want to pay attention to see if price will trade above it or respect it. So like S&P, I can see price going in either direction, so I want to be neutral, but I am slightly bearish on Nasdaq. If you take a fib from the high to the low, you can see my last line of defense is right at that optimal trade entry. And should we start displacing lower, I will target liquidity below this low. And if we get speed, then these lows down here will be in play. But right now, I just want to be patient and wait for displacement. So that's it for me this week. Not much has changed. Last week I mentioned some big travel plans. I will be putting out videos on that soon, but it got pushed back a few days, so that's why I'm able to give you my outlook this week. However, there may not be another market outlook until mid-December, but I'll do my best. Anyways, if you've enjoyed my analysis, please like this video and help the algorithm, and subscribe so you don't miss out on my future videos, including my upcoming travel videos where I'll give you a look at how I travel. But until next time, traders, safe trading.